Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate Otter.ai for meeting notes and searchable transcripts, complete guide step by step clearly. To activate Otter.ai for meeting notes and searchable transcripts, first, navigate to the Otter.ai website. If you don't have an account, sign up for one by clicking on the Sign Up button. You can use your Google account, or enter your email address and create a password. Once your account is set up, log into Otter.ai. After signing in, you will land on the home page, where you'll see an option to create new live transcript. Click on this option to start a new session. You can also download the Otter.ai mobile app from the App Store or Google Play for added convenience. Once the app is installed, log in with the same account credentials. To start taking notes during a meeting, click on the Record button. Make sure your microphone and audio settings are properly configured for optimal recording quality. Otter.ai will transcribe the audio in real time, allowing you to follow along as notes are generated. During the meeting, you can highlight important points or add comments directly in the transcript. After the meeting is over, stop the recording by clicking the Stop button. The transcription will be automatically saved in your account. To access the transcript, head back to the home page and click on My Conversations. Here you will find all your recorded meetings. Each transcript is searchable, so use the search bar to find specific terms or phrases. You can export the transcripts in various formats, including PDF and TXT. Simply select the meeting you want to export, then click on the Export button and choose your preferred format. For team collaboration, you can share transcripts by clicking on the Share option. Enter the email addresses of your colleagues and set the appropriate access permissions. Ensure that you regularly check your settings to customize your preferences for transcription accuracy and notification options. By following these steps, you can effectively use Otter.ai for meeting notes and searchable transcripts. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.